Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we have an unboxing from Purlisse. So if you would like to see what they sent me and see a try on of whatever's in this box, well then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Everybody's been doing well. I went and seen my grandmother and said my goodbyes, and I am trying to get back into my makeup life, and this came before that I left, but I needed to get on a plane because we didn't know how long she had. She's still alive, but she could die any day. And I got to say goodbye and hug and love on her and kiss her and tell her how much I love her. And you know, so I missed you guys while I was gone. And if you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Belinda. I am a mature makeup artist, self-taught here on YouTube. I like to do unboxings, tutorials, techniques, hacks, skincare, reviews. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, then please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss an upload. Now let's get into this unboxing. So I am an ambassador for Purlisse, and like I said, this came before I left, and like I said, I had to leave in a hurry. So we're going to unbox this. It says the Perfect Glow BB Concealer. Perfect your routine. Meet our new weightless hydrating and complexion perfecting concealer, featuring our exclusive Asian herb extracts complex, goji and hawthorn berry brightens skin, while jasmine improves skin with glowing complexion. Watch as it softens and evens under eyes while helping conceal darkness, redness, fine lines, and wrinkles. And if you all do not know, I love the Purlisse Ageless Glow BB Serum. This is full coverage. It's a BB cream. It has SPF 40, but it covers all this redness. That's why my face is not done, because I did not know what they were sending. So we will use that if I didn't get anything else in this bag. Oh, wow! Oh my gosh, look! They sent me like 5. Holy cow! So we're definitely going to use, oh, and I love the paper. I'm all about beautiful packaging. It looks like they sent me a lot. They sent me a fair. They sent me a deep. And they sent me a tan. So they sent me a bag. Thank you so much, Purlisse. I really, really appreciate you sending this my way. I love your products. Oh my gosh, it is a Purlisse reusable bag. And it has a snap on it. Yeah, guys, my arms are beat all to pieces from carrying my bags on my arms. And my skin tore, so I have my I have everything covered up, but sorry about that. I tried to cut. Oh, and they sent me a medium. Gosh, guys, thank you so very much. And I love the bag. It will be used well. But I love, 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 love the packaging. Look at this. Look at the paper. It's kind of like sparkly. Thank you so much, Purlisse. I really, 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 really appreciate this. This is brightening up my day already. It's going to brighten up my face. So let's get in. I already used the Milk Hydro Grip that I got from Ipsy. I put that on and I think it's still good, but we're going to go in with the Purlisse, and I also used this already. My Blue Lotus moisturizer from Purlisse. Love that stuff. And we're going to use this Purlisse Ageless Glow BB Serum, and I'm going to do half of my face and let you see how much it covers. Now, this side of my face, I feel like this side is more red, but there's more broken capillaries in this side. So I'm going to do one side of my face. And this stuff, it only takes a little bit. Mine's a little messy because I took this with me, and I think I used this on my Aunt Lisa. And I do have a code with Purlisse, and I will leave it in the description box. Please check them out. So I'm using my Anissa Pinnacle foundation brush. But look at the difference in this side compared to this side. Is that not amazing? And look at the glow. It's like a healthy glow within. And when you do your foundation, you want to tap. You don't want to drag and pull at your skin because gravity is not on our side, guys. Gravity is going to pull us down anyway. So just taking 2 little drops there, and we're going to tap. But look at that coverage, and it's buildable, and this does last on me all day long. I don't ever have to touch it up. I don't have to worry about it. So I'm going to put one little dot right here in these trouble areas that I have with the broken capillaries. And we're going to pull it down. And my necklace broke, guys, while I was gone, my tree of life. And I lost my pocketbook. I was a wreck when I come home, honestly. And I think I left it on the plane. So I'm still waiting to hear from the TSA if they found anything. I'm gonna call Monday. Yeah, it's been a couple bad weeks for Belinda. So we're gonna go into Fair, and I'm going to probably use Fair, but I am going to swatch at least 3 of these for you because I may put the deep in a giveaway. So this is Fair. This is Light. Fair, Light. And then the next one is Medium, I believe. I like a lighter under eye. And here is Medium. So Fair, Light, Medium. I'm going to go in with Fair because I feel like I could do Fair or Light. Light probably would be better for this color of foundation. Thank you so much, Purlisse. I love this. I've never gotten this many concealers. I am going to go in with Light, and I'm just going to do it this way. did put a little bit too much on my nose, so I'm going to use that. So when using concealer, you want to use it in places you want your natural light to come in, or you want to cover certain areas like a zit or a red spot. So I always use concealer under my eyes, right here, down my nose, right here, and right here. And light actually is a good color for this foundation. I hope it's not too bright in here for you guys. Let me know, because I got a new light because I needed more light. It's just a small light like this, but it's right here. And this LED light in front of me on my mirror that I made, the LEDs are kind of dying down, so I thought this would be good to help bring light in. Oh, I love that. I love that formula. I love that. Thank you so much, Purlisse. Okay, so I'm going to jump off real fast, and I'm going to contour and set my under eye, and actually I'm going to set my under eye right now. I'm going to go in with the Fenty Pro Filter in Butter. Go in with my puff. Just search puff on Amazon, or you can find these in my Amazon storefront. And when you're going in with powder under your eye, you want to tap off the excess, so you're not putting a bunch of powder underneath your eye and then it's going to be creasy and you'll be able to see all the lines under your skin, under your eyes. Makes it more defined. That's less powder. So I just take what's left on the back of my hand and use it in the other places. Okay, I'm going to jump off here and do my contour, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I did my contour, my bronzer, and my blush, and I went ahead and opened up the other ones. I decided just to go ahead and keep them for my kit for when I do makeup on other people. So this is the deep, and this is the tan. So we have fair, light, medium, tan, deep. And you can see that medium blends right, or light blends right in with my skin tone, and medium almost blends right in with my skin tone. Now, if you don't know like what color you should use for your concealer, here's a tip for you. For foundation, you want something that is the color of your natural skin, which would be your neck area right here, like your neck bone, this right here. This is your natural color. Don't go by this color, don't go by this color, don't go by this, go by right here. If you swatch a color right here and you let it dry and you can't see it, that's your color. If it blends right into your skin tone, that is your color of foundation. Now for concealer, the rule of thumb is you do not want to go no more than 2 shades lighter than your foundation. My Purlisse is a light medium, so I can go light, medium, and if I really want a bright under eye, then I could do fair, but a dot, just a dot. You don't want to do here, 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 here. That's going to make your face too white. Now, like in the winter months, I could use this color. So these 3 colors are going to be my shade: the fair, the light, and the medium, those are going to be my shades. So just keep that in mind. 1 to 2 shades lighter than your foundation for your concealer. And if it blends in to your skin, that is your shade. So you can use that also. You can use like what I told you for the foundation. You can use it on the back of your hand. You can use it. This is a good area for foundation and also for concealer to check, because this don't get, unless you tan. If you tan, don't do this area. But if you don't tan, self tan or tan in the tanning bed, you can use right here for your concealer. That would be a good way to check your color. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing with Purlisse. Thank you so much, Purlisse, for sending me these concealers. I absolutely love your products, what I've gotten to try. And guys, if you would like to shop Purlisse, I do have an affiliate code. I do make a small amount of money off of your purchases, but that just helps me to keep my YouTube channel going. I do not make any money here on YouTube. I am not monetized. I do this because I enjoy it. I enjoy meeting new people, and I enjoy helping others. I've always been that way, and I really love makeup. Makeup makes me happy. It's my happy place, and I like to help others learn about makeup. So if this was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, and do not forget, down in the description of this video, Purlisse's website and my code will save you money at checkout. So don't forget to enter my code at checkout and shop through the link in the description. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature southern lady from the south, then honey, please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat, and I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.